Crystals have captivated humanity for centuries. Their allure is timeless, drawing people from all walks of life to their shimmering beauty and enigmatic presence. Their beauty and mystery draw us in, inviting us to explore their depths and uncover the secrets they hold within. Selenite, with its moonlight glow, is particularly enchanting. Its soft, luminescent light seems to capture the essence of the moon itself, creating a sense of wonder and tranquility. This crystal, named after the Greek goddess of the moon, Selene, is said to hold a unique celestial energy. It is believed to connect us to the divine and the cosmos, bridging the gap between the earthly and the heavenly. It is believed to illuminate our path and bring a sense of peace. The gentle glow of selenite is thought to guide us through the darkness, offering clarity and insight when we need it most. Selenite is more than just a beautiful stone. It is a symbol of purity and light, often used in spiritual practices to cleanse and purify the energy around us. It is believed to possess powerful metaphysical properties. Many people turn to selenite for its ability to clear negative energy and promote a sense of calm and serenity. Many people use selenite for its calming energy and its ability to promote clarity. Holding a piece of selenite can help to clear the mind, making it easier to focus and meditate. Whether you are drawn to its beauty or its energetic properties, selenite is a fascinating crystal to explore. Its ethereal glow and powerful energy make it a cherished addition to any crystal collection, offering both aesthetic and spiritual benefits. Selenite is a form of gypsum, a common mineral found throughout the world. This fascinating mineral is known for its unique and beautiful crystal formations, which can be found in various natural settings. It is typically clear or white, and it often has a soft, pearly luster. This distinctive appearance makes selenite a popular choice for collectors and enthusiasts alike. Selenite forms in evaporative environments such as ancient seabeds or caves. These environments provide the perfect conditions for the growth of its delicate and intricate structures. One of the most remarkable properties of selenite is its ability to clear negative energy. This makes it a favored tool in spiritual and healing practices. It is said to create a protective shield around its user, offering a sense of safety and security. Many people use selenite to cleanse their personal space and protect their energy. Selenite is also believed to enhance mental clarity and promote peace of mind. Its calming influence can help individuals focus better and achieve a state of tranquility. Its gentle energy can help to reduce stress and anxiety. By incorporating selenite into their daily routine, many find a greater sense of relaxation and well-being, making it a cherished addition to their lives. There are many ways to incorporate selenite into your daily life. This versatile crystal can be seamlessly integrated into various aspects of your routine, enhancing both your physical and emotional well-being. One popular method is to place a piece of selenite in your home or office to create a peaceful atmosphere. The presence of selenite can help to clear negative energy and promote a sense of calm and tranquility in your environment. You can also carry a small piece of selenite with you in your pocket or purse. This allows you to benefit from its calming properties throughout the day, no matter where you are. Selenite can be used in meditation to enhance clarity and promote spiritual connection. By holding a piece of selenite during your meditation practice, you can deepen your focus and connect more profoundly with your inner self. Hold a piece of selenite in your hand while you meditate, or place it on your third eye chakra to open your intuition. This practice can help to heighten your intuitive abilities and provide greater insight during your meditative sessions. Experiment with different ways of using selenite to find what works best for you. Whether you use it for meditation, carry it with you, or place it in your living space, selenite offers a range of benefits that can enhance your daily life. Discover the unique ways this crystal can support your journey towards clarity and calm. In various spiritual traditions, selenite is associated with the crown chakra, the energy center at the top of the head. This chakra is linked to our connection to the divine and our higher selves. Selenite is believed to help open and activate the crown chakra. When the crown chakra is open and balanced, we experience a sense of peace, clarity, and connection to something greater than ourselves. Selenite can help us to access this state of being. Many people report experiencing profound benefits from working with selenite. Some people find that it helps them to feel calmer and more centered. Others report feeling more connected to their intuition. One woman shared that after placing a piece of selenite on her bedside table, she began sleeping more soundly and waking up feeling more refreshed. Another person reported feeling a sense of peace and clarity after meditating with selenite. The world of crystals is vast and fascinating, and selenite is a wonderful place to begin your exploration. Whether you are drawn to its beauty, its metaphysical properties, or simply its calming energy, selenite has something to offer everyone. Allow yourself to be drawn to the piece that resonates with you. Trust your intuition and explore the many ways that selenite can enhance your life.